discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This truck, we built it to be windy. To be able to play the doors open and people enjoy it.
Nice. Is this all Team PRV?
Yeah, this is Timpano. It's made by...
Oh, so Timpano and PRV. Okay,
yes,
got it.
Yes.
I've never seen these subs. This is pretty cool.
This is the T3500 series.
Okay.
Has 3-inch voice coils made here in the US.
Okay.
Triple stack.
Wow. What do you know? Who did you help build this?
Yes.
Do you know the cubic space sealed and poured in?
I don't remember because when Cole was building the truck, he only had the shelf.
Okay.
And then I did the math and I said there.
All right.
there.
All right. All right. What is your SPL score and peak frequency? Do you know that?
It depends on the... I haven't got all the notes like to see.
Yeah.
But it hits 158, 160. Okay. Depends on the note.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
With the door open.
Yeah. All right. Looks good.
Very different, huh?
Yeah, I like the way that you're able to demo door open and still be able to be that windy. Yeah. So you really compensated your sealed section for that. So you did a good job. Nice work there. I really like it. And where's all your amplifiers for the subs?
On the back.
All in the back? Okay. There's a way I can see them?
No.
You like that? Pretty crazy? Yeah.
Oh, 150K for 4 subs.
For 4 subs, okay. And since some of them are inverted, are the inverted ones on one amp and the regular on the other, or you have it just polarity rate?
Half chamber.
Okay.
4 that way, 4 this way.
Got it. So 2 common chambers.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice job. You did a good job. So Timpano, okay. Wow. Can I see the alternators too? I like to see everything.
Huh?
Can I see the alternator?
Just give me the jeans and we be coming, please and we be talking now. Sipping in the sea and we be walking,
There we go, nice. Let's appreciate it.
Seen it all before. feeling like a fool.
That's good. Yeah. Look, that's good.
Very different, huh?
Yeah, I like the way that you're able to demo door open and still be able to be that windy. So you really compensated your sealed section for that. So you did a good job. Nice work there. I really like it. I appreciate the demo. What frequency was that? Do you know?
It was around 35.
35? Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Around 30, 36.
Yes, sir. And where's all your amplifiers for the subs?
On the back.
All in the back? Okay. You like that? Pretty crazy? Yeah.
150K per 4 subs.
4 subs. Okay.